Hello Urpengrang, rumchakson asma sakan di konang niya. Ketal ko ba video na? Dasal ni video ni topik ko dia Assam Rifle Technical Trade Rally. Mana Assam Rifle Technical Trade aro Trade Recruitment Rally ni gimana mungsa magani agan again noksa tro. Urpengrang sekarang ko ba acing niya na Assam Rifles Recruitment 2024 overview ni gimana. Organization Assam Rifles post name Tradesman. Aro advertising number Assam Rifles Technical and Tradesman Recruitment Rally 2024. Technical aro Tradesman non asum masie mo vacancies total donga 1425 all India na guman release schedule 01 October 2024 job location all India mode of apply online. Rupairang second onjok age limit minimum age 18 years maximum age 23 years as relaxation applicable as per rules mane badia case na baita bulsi batata nangen wade rules dikri ongen ni yanu mention kaina Rupairang intinde gubnan minimum age 18 years or maximum age 23 years una indeba mang religious teacher aro operator radio and line nasan 18 to 25 years una mana maximum age 18 years aro minimum age 18 years maximum age 30 years one operator radio line nava minimum age 18 years or maximum age 25 years Rupairang dau masyana ajung vacancies ni guman Assam Rifles Technical and Tradesman Recruitment Rally Recruitment 2024 vacancy details bridge and road na 17 safai karamchari na 610 religious teacher na 9 operator radio and line na 529 radio mechanic na 62 armorer na 48 vacancies laboratory assistant na 13 nursing assistant na 12 vacancy veterinary field assistant na 10 aya na 15 aro washerman na 100 vacancies total post mane total vacancy 1425 vacancies dunga Rupairang yanu nibo Assam Rifles Technical and Tradesman eligibility ni guman post name personal assistant rank ungken warrant officer mane initial rank religious teacher initial rank naib subedar male ni lineman field initial rank rifleman mane 1 GD one gapun paramilitary force rango aro police force rango ajing likinga constable ni 1 constable kan Assam rifleman GD na aro rifleman na recovery vehicle mechanic ba 1 rifleman ungen initial rank de bridge and road niba initial rank ungen naib subedar 1 again electrical and mechanical niba initial rank naib subedar both male and female na draftsman ni ungen warrant officer plumber ni ungen rifleman surveyor ITI ni ungen havildar extra assistant ni ungen havildar Rupairang dawa anching yang na Assam Rifles Recruitment Rally 2024 selection process first group ungen physical measurement test and physical efficiency test mane height chest weight ko check khani zaman running uni zaman written test uni zaman skill test ni zaman document verification ni zaman medical examination to Rupairang aro angni khasara achik sarambe nono jojongrang kembek detail ko masina skode anga angni video ni mane ya video ni description box link ko botat gen wo link di throw diangin asmang education qualification baita nangen aro height baita nangen the chest baita nangen aro running baita nangen ami asana baita michkna baita aro badia post baita education qualification wara ko ye video throw da agara ja uni guman nasimang na the video ni description box link ko botat gen nasimang link ko diangin mana masie rana manggen to video ko de yanan bonta geno sakan dikon video ko cukup niane na bethala